Hey, what's up tube? Willington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield today we have the iROAR going up against its smaller, little, newer brother, the creative iRoarGO. A side note here, I'm actually going to be referring to the creative iRoarGO, this speaker right here, as the Go, since it's easier to say. So the Go is the newest that was released recently following the release of the iROAR in the beginning of 2016. Both these two speakers have 5 drivers, with the iROAR having a slightly bigger sub and tweeters, which also makes its overall size bigger than the Go. But what we're wondering here, is the sound quality that different? That's what we're here to find out. Both the speakers have more than one sound setting, so I will let you listen to the default balanced sound in the first round and then turn ROAR on both speakers, and I will let you listen to that too. So this might make this video a little bit longer than normal, but I'm just trying to make sure I have covered all bases. This is all for you guys. As usual, the speakers are 6 feet away from the sound recorder and they are playing at 70% volume. Without wasting any more of your precious time, put your headphones on and let the speakers speak.
Got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown. Damn.
Okay, so the speakers have spoken, my ears have heard. This is my judgment. Quick side note, if you are not a subscriber, you can support me by subscribing. I would really appreciate that. Anyways, as you might have guessed, the iROAR is louder thanks to its overall bigger size, and it handles the lows better than the Go thanks to its bigger subwoofer. Other than that, both these two speakers have the same sound signature, and that goes for all sound modes. The things to look at in order to decide which one to get between these two are the features and loudness. So if you're looking for a speaker with a little bit more features and louder and has an overall better bass, the iROAR will be your guy here. But in my opinion, the Go is a better choice if you consider its water resistance, the size, and its price. I feel like the iROAR is a little bit overpriced. But those are my ears. What do you guys think? Leave your comment down below and hit that like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this one, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.